Alright guys, so we're today gonna go by installing the oil pan on this motor, getting her ready, putting her back together. So yes sir, let's start by peeling all the stuff on the sides and dark gray, that's the correct stuff. So we'll be putting that on once I clean all this up. Just a little clean, nothing too much. Got the air compressor on. I'm trying to put everything back how it went. I gotta clean all this off, all the pump and everything. To go clean some of the stuff, clean everything. I want to also clean the block. We'll see how it end up going, but right now we're gonna start with, this is nasty. I'm gonna clean that off. I might take some of this stuff because I do have gaskets and gaskets and gaskets and gaskets of just stuff. So alright, here's what I took out. I do have a new O-ring for here, so that's good. I also have an O-ring for this, and I think I have the O-ring for this, so everything's a mess, but we're about to just everything, clean it all good. Right here, I got some engine degreaser. This should work. I also have brake cleaner. Give this a bad boy to try. So I just sprayed everything down. Now I'm letting her sit. On the block, I have some purple power too. I've been hitting this. I might hit this with engine degreaser. You see how I hit it? I start to agitate everything. I'm just trying to clean everything up. This is the brush I've been using. It's just a wire brush. Everything's sprayed down, and I'm just hitting it, cleaning it, hitting everything I can. That's right there for the oil port. So that goes into that. I don't know where exactly. It's an engine. This right here is the engine cooler. This is for the oil filter. So we'll see what goes there. But yeah, everything as clean as I can. Check her out. I have her at top dead center. You can see that right there, top dead center. So I might have put the oil pan on top, not fully bolted down, just put it on top. Flip it over, head is up. So we could actually start putting in a head and stuff like that, basically. Got everything cleaned up. Oil pan is, yeah, she's a bit roughed up. That's what happens when you have a low car. But now I can turn the motor around. I have a nice bar here for extension. It goes a little bit higher, but yeah. I have a bolt because my actual thing won't actually fit. So alright guys, so next video we're gonna try to just slowly, cleanly, don't want to store ahead, but just want to just get all the old gasket material basically off, like this nasty stuff. Where's like the old rag? Get everything off. Basically, that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'll be right back once it's all clean. You guys know this is an iron, and look at all that. Why? Because the last owner put water. Alright, I cleaned it as much as I could. Yeah, basically. My hands are literally starting to fall apart from the gloves, but all done right here. See how clean my hand is, man? Look at that. Look at that. You can eat off this now. So, I think it's time to put on the head. So, a head gasket, little piece that kind of like notched up, so I had to notch it. I mean, it's at the end, so we should be good. So, time to lay the head down with the head gasket. I'm going to inspect all these cylinders. I might oil them, actually. I'm going to probably more than likely oil them. I have some assembly lube. I feel something right there. It's so weird. there's pretty much no scoring. Oh, there's some dirt down there. I need to clean that up. Yeah, I need to clean these hellers up. Yeah, let's clean them up. Alright, got all those cylinder walls lubricated with some 1540 diesel oil. Nice thick oil. So let's put her down. This head is a little heavy, so. Holy crap! Whew. Oh. Oh. Baby, the head is on. Things you have to do. Is basically put them all in a bag. Let me open this up a little bit more. And pour some oil in there. It's just some 1540 mobile oil. So I'll just pour it until they're all covered in there. So yeah. Just like that, and let them soak. So we got a new seal in. The old one, I took it out, is in. I do have more oil pressure holes, so I might end up putting like one that I can measure and have a gauge, because that's what I want, because I want to be able to see how much oil pressure I have actually, because the car doesn't tell you. So I'll be doing that. And I could add an oil temperature sensor if I want to, but I'm not. Why? This turns out this ring is for a ring in the back, but it's a hassle. That's whatever. I can't take it out. So whatever. Got the alternator on. The head's still not bolted on because these are going to leave them soaking for 1 day. That's what you're supposed to do. So tomorrow we'll come and bolt a head. Not fully torque it down, but put the bolts on. And yeah, she's just coming along really good.